Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with the Kroger haul. It was a really great day over at Kroger. I saved 46%, so I'm happy with it, and I got tons of meat today, which is awesome. I love it when I can get really good meat deals at Kroger, because that's where I get the stuff. And I really lucked out on some great clearance and lots of BOGO deals. So if you haven't seen my other Kroger video that I posted this week, be sure to check that out. I did two. I did one with the best couponing deals and one with all the BOGO deals. So if you click the little line in the top right corner, it will direct you to that. So, yeah, let's just dive right in. I'm going to go left to right. I know the table's a little bare today, I guess, but I got a lot of stuff. Usually it's all filled up, but I got some really good deals. First up, the honeysuckle turkey tenderloin, buy one, get one free, $9.99. That is a lot. This will last us, I don't know how many servings this is. This serves 7 people, so this will last quite a few meals. So great deal there. The grapes, 88 cents a pound. The Fancy Feast, 60 cents. I had a $1 off 24 coupon. This Merle Glen right here was $1.29. I had a 50-cent digital and a 50-cent Saving Star rebate, so that's a really good deal. I forgot to factor that into my total, so it'll actually be 50 cents. Let me write that down real quick. All right, got it. Sorry, I'm had to just do that. The Holy Guacamole, $1.99. I had a 75-cent coupon, so $1.24. That's a really good deal for that. Just needed some pizza sauce to go along with the pizza crust I got. These are $1.19. The Kroger mild taco sauce is $1.59. This expertly pared cheese by Kraft. Now this is cheaper over at Walmart, but Walmart doesn't have the pizza cheese like this, so I went ahead and got it at Kroger because it's only a little bit more. They're $2.50. It had $1 Blinky coupons, and there was a 75-cent Ibotta, so a really good deal. 50 cents or something? Yeah, 75 cents. And I had some problems with some coupons. It wasn't the coupons, it was the cashier. So if you wait till I get through the haul, I'll tell you all about that drama that went down today. So I got the Alka-Seltzer Cold and Flu. Kroger has this for $10.99. I had a $3 coupon. So I paid $8.99 or something like that. No, $8.79 with tax. And I will get back a mail-in rebate. So mail-in rebate makes that free. The Bush's chili beans are still $1, and there's $1 on 2. Check out 51 with a limit of 2, so it makes that only $2 or 50 cents a piece. The Uncle Ben's rice, these are $1.50. I had 50-cent Peely coupons, so I paid $1, and there's $1 back on 4 from Saving Star, making this only 75 cents a piece. This is Epic on the Laura's lean beef. These 96% lean ones, because they go bad tomorrow, but if you cook them and then freeze them, they'll last a while. These are regularly $8.99 here. They're $5.59 today, which is epic. That is crazy. And then here, this one is $5.29. It is the 92% lean. That's regularly $7.50 or something. So really great deals on Laura's. Meat stocked up. I got 5 total. We'll really be stocked up on this for a while, and we didn't pay full price, so I love that. All right, this is an epic deal on this. I know not everyone can do it, but the Thomas, there was a digital coupon I had for buy a Thomas item, get the Thomas swirl bread for free. And then these are on sale, buy one, get one free. So here's how this went down. I bought one of the bagel thins for $3.49. My mom likes these. $3.49. It took off $3.99 for this one, and this one rang up free with the BOGO sale. So all these breads were $3.49, which is an awesome deal. Crazy, crazy deal on these items. On the Lay's kettle chips, they were $1.77. I had a buy 2, get 1 free Peely. Made that really good. Skinny Pop was $1.77 as well on that same deal. Buy 3 and get it for $1.77. And I only had 2 of the 1-off-1 coupons. So I only had 2 of those 1-off-1 coupons. So one of them was $1.77 and the other 2 were 77 cents. That's a good deal. Averaged out to like $1.10 each. So good deal. I got one Zevia for $4.99. I'm going to try these new Live sodas. It has monk fruit in it, which I guess is good for you. So we're going to try that out. They were only $3.50, so it's a lot cheaper than Zevia. The Kroger ice cream is $1.99. I had a 45-cent digital. And this is a little money maker today on this Morning Star. This is on the clearance area. There's a little freezer cabinet at my store that has clearance in it. They had this for 99 cents. I had a 50-cent digital coupon. And then there is a 90-cent Ibotta. So this is a little bit of a moneymaker. We've never had these before, but I'm going to, for free, it's worth a try. The Swiss Miss, this is kind of expensive. The Kroger brand is cheaper for this. This is the lower calorie one, but I don't know. This one had a little bit less ingredients in it than the other one, and I try to keep it as natural as possible. It does have a little bit of sucralose, but I am trying to stay off of that, but I think one of these isn't the worst. I don't know. I just went ahead and rolled with it today. So that was $2.29. That was a lot, but I've just been craving it because it's so cold out. The Mama Mary's pizza. This was bad. This is $4.19. It has 2 crusts in it. This will last. $4.19. I had $1 off 2 peely. So yeah, it is what it is. I went ahead and got it. The Kid Fresh. This is epic. These were $2.99. I had a BOGO coupon, so it's $2.99 for 2. There's a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, so I mean, you can get that twice. That makes it $2.50 for 2. And then I printed out $1 Catalina when I bought 2. So it made this a really good deal. It made them $1.50 for 2, or 75 cents each. I snagged this Kroger Parmesan cheese, $2.49. I had a 25-cent digital. The Sunbelt Bakery bars. These are 2 for $5. I love the s'mores kind. These are really good. 2 for $5. I had a 2 75-cent off coupons, so that knocked it down to, took $1.50 off. So I knocked it down to $3.50 for 2. There's $1 back on Ibotta when you buy 2. So it makes it $2.25 for, or no, $2.50 for 2, or $1.25 a piece, which is a great deal. And then the Mission Chips, these were $2.99. I got 4 bags, and they're buy one, get one for free. So, after all the rebates, all the coupons, and all that awesomeness, it made this a net price of $112.24, like a 47% savings on all this stuff. When you're getting organic meat in the mix, and all this turkey, and just all this stuff, I'm really happy with it. I always strive to be a little above 40, around 50%. So now I'm going to tell you about the drama that went down. I know a lot of you love to hear it. You just think everything just goes perfect for him all the time, but it doesn't. So, okay, the Kraft coupon, I had 2 of those. The Uncle Ben's coupons, I had 4 of those. I think she didn't have an issue with the rest of them, but she sat there and read every single coupon at the self-check as she scanned it, and if it had a limit on it or whatever, like limit 2, then she would scan it. If there was no limit posted on the coupon, and it just said limit 1 per purchase, she threw them in a stack. So I was a little nervous, but I just sat back and was going to see what she was going to say. She said, very nicely, she was not a rude cashier. She was just genuinely scared. This is just the lack of training of Kroger cashiers anymore. She said, I can't take these because they say limit 1 per purchase. And I was like, oh no, that's what I was thinking in my head. So I said, oh, no, that just means 1 coupon per item that you bought. She said, no, that means 1 in the entire transaction. You can't use more than that. Instead of me getting all angry with her and start screaming, well, not screaming, but start raising my voice and getting all upset, I was like, I just did it a couple days ago. Can I please speak to a manager? And that's all it took. She went and talked to the floor supervisor. The floor supervisor told her, no, you can use up to 5 light coupons. And that's all we did. So it worked. She went and scanned them, and all just worked out fine. She was confused, and that's why it was drama, but it ended up working out in my favor after she spoke to the manager. So there's my advice to you. Talk to the managers before you get all upset. Don't have a screaming match with the cashier. Just ask for a manager. If the manager won't take care of it for you, then, I don't know, call corporate. But this worked out in my favor just because I was polite and asked for the manager. So, yeah, that is all that I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.